Dave Ligori, Bay Area Pervious Concrete. I'm here in Palo Alto, California, at a driveway that we installed 16 years ago, 2010. The driveway's never been pressure washed, never been vacuumed. They just blow it off when the gardener comes through once a week or so. I talked to the owner yesterday. He said when it rains, water all disappears. So what we're going to do is take a closer look at it and do a test. Right now it's pretty clogged, even though the water still goes through when it rains. We're going to go ahead and do a simple test to see, get an idea what kind of infiltration we have at the surface. And then we're going to pressure wash it and see how much we can increase that. Here we go. So here we have an area. We pre-wet it. We'll throw some water on there. There's a timer. You can see all the dirt, debris, sediment that's coming out as we pressure wash. After 16 years on the ground with no maintenance. So this just shows how robust these systems are, even with minimal maintenance. The key is don't drain your asphalt into the pervious concrete. That's a different kind of clogging, and that was much harder to come back from when that happened. So keep your pervious isolated so just the rainwater falls on it, and it's going to perform at a really good high level for a long period of time with very little maintenance. Thanks for joining us. Take care. Bye.